Hello, everybody. Thank you so much for joining me today. So, you saw the short clip that I have on my YouTube channel about the CRC class that's coming up on April the 16th. So, I wanted to make a video to explain the class, tell you about the CRC class if you've been trying to get certified in risk adjustment coding. This is an 11-week course, 11 weeks. This is going to be from April the 16th through June the 25th. So let me go through and explain the CRC course that I have that's available. So first, thank you so much for joining my channel, MJ the Coding Coach. I really do appreciate you joining me. So thank you so much. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for that. So let's start. The CRC course that I have, it's going to be an online course. And although it's online, you're going to have 3 live sessions with me during those 11 weeks. Now, a lot of courses are online, and if you just want to do completely self-paced online, that's perfect as well. But I understand as a medical coder that sometimes, people who are participating in classes, they need additional guidance or additional instructions to assist them or to help them in understanding what they're reading online. Because if you've never been in the healthcare field before, some of these things may be unfamiliar. So I would hate to just throw someone into a course without any instructional guidance that they'll have. So during the 11 weeks, there will be 3 actual live online sessions. It will be the actual first day, which is April the 16th. It'll be May the 7th. And it'll be June the 25th. Now, on April the 16th, we'll cover chapters 1 through 3. So April the 16th is going to be the first day that the course is starting. It's going to be the very first day. So the first day that we meet, we'll go over the first 3 chapters before you get a chance to go into it. So you'll have access to all of the online course material. And then I will go over with you chapters 1 through 3. Then on May the 7th, we'll go over chapters 4, 5, and 6. And then on June the 25th, on June the 4th, we'll go over chapters 7, 8, and 9, and the course is over with on June the 25th. Now, everything is in modules online. It's in modules where you complete the first module, you go on to the next one. There is a midterm exam, and then there is a final exam as well. So inside of this CRC preparation course, there are over 180 questions that you will have to prepare for the exam. So let me explain a little bit how the modules work. I really want you to retain this information. It's not about me just receiving your money, collecting your money. My success comes from you passing the exam. So how I have the modules set up is there are 9 chapters to cover when we're talking about the CRC exam. And I discussed this in one of my previous videos about what's going to be on the exam and what's to study. So there are about 9 chapters of things to study. So for each chapter, I've created a module, and those modules are going to include but the module is going to include audio, video recordings, PDFs, handouts, quizzes, everything that you will need to retain the information for that specific chapter. And then when you get halfway through the modules, there's a midterm exam. And then when you've completed Chapter 9, there is a final exam. So there's over 180 questions inside of those modules that are going to help you prepare for the CRC exam. Now, if you do not want to follow the 11-week schedule from April the 16th to June the 25th, when you have access to the course, I'm going to give you access to the course for an entire year. Things may come up, you might not be able to complete it in that time frame, but you won't waste your money. So at least you'll have access to all of the material for 12 months until you decide to learn, prepare, and take the exam on your own. The cost of this course is going to be $750. Yes, you heard me right. It's $750. A lot of times people often ask me, oh, your course is, it's very, it's kind of least expensive when you compare it to other ones. Yes, it is. I create my own curriculum, and I get it from resources, of course, and study guides, from my personal information and things like that. So that allows me to cut costs as well. And like I said, I don't want money to ever be a reason why someone cannot learn a new skill if this is something they really want to do. So again, the cost is $750. You can pay the one-time total payment. And I also have an affordable payment plan where there's $250 a month for 3 months. Now, the ICD-10 book is not included. I saw it on Amazon for $75, and you also can get it through the AAPC. So that book is going to cost you anywhere between $75 and $100. And also understand, when you go through these modules online, when you submit your quizzes for each chapter, it automatically gives you the grade that you made after you submit the quiz. So you don't have to wait or anything. You'll know right then the questions that you missed. So you're able to gather and retain your knowledge from knowing what you missed and knowing how to get it right. And you'll also have a few attempts at the quiz in order to be able to pass. So again, the ICD-10 book is not included in this course. You can get it through the AAPC at www.aapc.com, and I'll put that link in the description box. Also, you can get it from Amazon. After the course, this is what you'll need as well. So I want to give you the information from beginning to end of getting certified of everything you need. So once you pay, complete the course, now it's time to schedule your exam. You're going to take the exam through the AAPC, of course. So there is a $190 fee for AAPC membership. So once you pay your $190 fee, you become a member of the AAPC. And then you can go ahead and schedule your exam. Your exam is going to be anywhere between $325 and $399. However, this is the good thing. If for any reason that you fail your exam, they'll give you another or an additional attempt at the exam at no additional cost. So it's like you pay for the exam, but you get 2 chances to pass the exam. So I've listed all the information. Just to recap, it's going to be an 11-week certified risk adjustment coding course. Everything is completely online, but you will also have live instruction, and you will also have access to me to be able to answer any questions from you or whatever you may have if for any reason throughout the course you're feeling lost. And the cost of the course is going to be $750 with payment plans. And I'll also drop all of these links in the description box. And also keep in mind, there's over 150, 180, maybe 200 different practice questions that'll help you prepare for this exam. So if you have any questions, please feel free to comment below. I'll leave also my email address below, and I also drop the link to the class and my other social media outlets so you can follow me there for more updated information about coding, about courses, job opportunities, and everything that's related to coding. So again, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's get ready to take this class. A lot of people has been thinking about coding for a long time. It's been on their to-do list and just haven't done it yet. Like I tell people all the time, as adults, it's never a right time to do anything. We have families, we have kids, we have jobs, things we have come up, health issues or whatever it is. So we often at times say, well, I'll wait till I get this together and then I'll start. Or when I get this lined up and then I'll start. One thing about life, it'll continue to happen. Time waits for no one, so there's no perfect time to start something other than when you're ready to start. So drop all of your questions, your comments down in the comment section, and I'll make sure I put every link in the description box, especially the link to the class and the AAPC link. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. MJ the Coding Coach, I'm out, and I'll see you again the next time. Bye.